Okay, this is a quick little video about rubber gloves or nitrile gloves. They can be expensive. I don't know, I'm a cheap guy, so they're like 50 cents, 75 cents a pair. When you take them off to go eat or something, you come back and you want to use them again, kind of turn them inside out, and then you got to try and get the fingers right. What I do is I keep a can of duster, you know, the air cans that you use for cleaning your computer keyboards, and use that to inflate them. You can also check for leaks. If you blow into them, the moisture from your breath gets inside the gloves and makes them difficult to put on. But this air is dry, so you can see there's no leaks. And then you go to put it on, it'll slide right on. The other thing I'll do is I'll actually, when I'm done, I'll wash my hands in soap and water with the gloves on, and that way I can use the gloves over and they're not all nasty. I'll show you. I'll go wash these real quick. Alright, I just went and washed these. So you can wear these for days and days until you tear them. Sometimes you tear them right away. But especially the thicker ones you can use over and over. And just reinflate them and put it back on.